A landmark case on same-sex marriage began in Norfolk today.
A federal judge heard arguments this morning on whether Virginia's ban on same-sex marriage violates the U.S. Constitution. Representatives for Tim Bostic and Tony London, a Norfolk couple, argued that the law violates two clauses in the 14th Amendment. At 5, our Ann McNamara, who was in court, told us the couple's lawyer said marriage is not just about having children, it's about freedom. They called marriage a fundamental right.
New at 5:30, we're examining the state attorney general's position not to defend the ban. 10 on your side's Art Kohn pressed Mark Herring on this today, joins us in the newsroom. Art?
Anita, in 2006, Virginians voted to ban same-sex marriage. Today, our newly elected Attorney General refused to defend that law in court. That decision has some calling for his impeachment and others heralding him as a champion of civil rights.
God bless America.
Not exactly a protest song, but a fitting choice for demonstrators outside the courthouse in Norfolk Tuesday morning, opposing not only same-sex marriage, but their state attorney general's decision to stand with the plaintiffs in this case.
I think he took an oath to uphold the laws of Virginia, and I'm very concerned that he would, disregard all the people of Virginia who voted in 2006 for the Marriage Amendment.
Virginia's Constitution not only outlaws same-sex marriage, it clearly defines the duty of the state attorney general to defend the state's Constitution.
Nowhere in there does it say if you agree with them. How do you reconcile that in fact you are upholding your?
Well, the oath of office that I took was to support the Constitution of the United States and of Virginia. And as we're taught at a very young age, when the two conflict, it is the U.S. Constitution which must prevail and is the law of the land.
He wasn't clear about that when he was campaigning. He only won by a few votes. If the man had told the truth, he probably wouldn't be the Attorney General.
But the Attorney General says he did address Virginia's marriage law passed in 2006.
And that if elected, I would review carefully the legal precedent with the experts in the Attorney General's office to determine whether I thought the law was constitutional, and I said that I did not believe that an Attorney General should be defending laws that are unconstitutional.
Just think what our different history we would have in Virginia if in the 1950s the Attorney General of Virginia had said segregated schools are not right, or in the 60s had said I think black people and white people should be able to get married. We'd be applauding those people today for being heroes because they got it.
The injustice of Virginia's position in those cases will not be repeated this time. And today, the Commonwealth of Virginia got it right.
Well, of course, not everybody agrees with the Attorney General. And by the way, if you would like to hear all of the press conference today along with the other speakers, we have it posted for you on wavy.com. Much was said about the Constitution being the supreme law of the land. And the ultimate decision in this case will likely end up in the Supreme Court. Live in the newsroom, Art Kohn, 10 on your side.